Shadrach Miti, KTN News.
To enter into this program.
Now let's cross the borders. East African countries have also tabled their budgets before their respective legislative houses, with Uganda's budget reading taking place simultaneously with the Kenyan reading. Jasmine Murani takes a look at Tanzania's and Uganda's budgets.
As Kenya Kwanza's maiden budget was presented earlier today by Treasury CS Njuguna Ndung'u, other East African nations also tabled their budgets to their legislative houses. Tanzania's budget is a 2.6 trillion Kenya shillings budget, catering to development and recurrent expenditure. For development, the state has allocated 34% of its budget, with the lion's share going into recurrent expenditure. Focus will be in the sectors of transport, mining, oils and gas, agriculture and industry. The Tanzanian budget places special focus on transport infrastructure as the government prepares to expand its standard gauge railway network by committing 70.2 billion Kenyan shillings to the expansion of the SGR and another 35.3 billion Kenyan shillings to the purchase of 5 new planes for Air Tanzania Company Limited. Agriculture and livestock have received a whopping 81.81 billion Kenyan shillings, a far cry from Kenya's 5.4 billion. Uganda's budget is a 1.99 trillion Kenya shillings budget. Of these, 808.3 billion Kenya shillings has been allocated to statutory expenditure, 144 billion Kenya shillings to the country's defense forces, and a further 90 billion shillings to the construction of roads. Uganda's State House has also received 15.7 billion Kenya shillings. This budget is to be financed by domestic revenues, loans and grants. Jasmine Murani for KTN News.